Hey yo, first things first, it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Box battle, I'ma break down for the beat in the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, S-C-Y-L-E, yes, I know. The red beam vaccine, pack red beam, pull them up. You love the best seed, off the wall, spitting the gorilla tag team. What's up now, duck down, suck, they can't breathe up.
You know the routine, the demon effect, please don't step. Wanna beat one of my pet peeves, the more beef, the better. Sound gay, but you all wanna sleep together. Okay, in the club, we don't sleep.
A black Lamborghini.
I'll take that. Heading up to that area.
Head crack to the fat meat. Moving this on now. Making it walk loud. Shaking the fuck loud. Bringing the fuck down. Bringing the fuck down. Watch the fuck down. Watch it how shit is so down.
I got your report parties on view. They're not stopping. I'm going code 3. Parties need backup. Need backup.
Copy that, 3 Delta 16. Detailing units now.
I'm trying to get in front of this guy, slow him down.
Supervisor requesting you set up squadron ASAP. Units remain on Code 6 status till further notice.
Hey, do your thing. Hey, do your